Hello and welcome to the Sacramento Beer Show. My name is Jordan Steffen, your host. Today I'm going to be trying this Belching Beaver and Deftones collaboration, the Phantom Bride IPA. This is a 7.1% ABV beer, comes in a 1-pint can, and I'm going to read you a story from the back of the can. Named after the ethereal song by the one and only Deftones, Phantom Bride IPA is a blend of Amarillo, Citra, Simcoe, and Mosaic hops, delicately balanced for the perfectly drinkable mix of citrus and hoppy goodness. A truly original Deftones/Belching Beaver collaboration envisioned by Chino Moreno and skillfully crafted by Thomas Peters. Sit back, put on your headphones, and drink away. Cheers, Nathan. So, this sort of has even though Belching Beaver is not Sacramento, Deftones have hometown roots here, so thought it would be fitting to try this beer on the Sacramento Beer Show. So let's crack into the can. Alright. Pouring a very light and, slightly hazy. Sort of light to medium haze on this. And I'm getting a nice one finger of bright white head. Very soapy, very sudsy. Looking really nice in the glass here. Nice light, pale, light haze. Alright. Let's smell this here. Very dank right off the bat. With some tropical notes in the background. So I think that smells like pineapple. Let's see. No, pineapple smells a little different than that. What is that? I guess it's probably mango. Mango, orange, pineapple. Maybe like a orange. I don't know. Is that a juice that they sell? Mango, orange, pineapple. Sounds like it would be. I think I'm getting a little flaked out action, perhaps. Maybe contributing to the slight haze on this. I'm gonna dive right into this. I'm excited. Okay. Okay, very nice and crisp. Very refreshing, yet mellow sort of mouthfeel. Decently high carbonation, but some sort of roundness provided by, if I had to guess, be like flaked oats. Getting a nice bit of dankness up front, with a nice kind of bitter finish. Getting a lot of grapefruit, tropical notes, especially mid-palate towards the finish. Which is really nice, very kind of classic West Coast flavors combined with the sort of modern style here. Definitely massively dry hop. And with a little juice push in the end too. This is a very restrained and yet refined example of these sort of modern IPAs, if we're not going to call them Northeast since we are in California, but using a lot of the same principles, from the flaked oats to the different, fruit-forward yeast strains and the massively dry hopping that is taking IPAs to this very juicy tropical place these days. It's still, sticking to that classic West Coast-ness with the dankness on both the nose and the palate. Very nice. Let's see. Just tell me how old this was. No. But I know the store that I got this from got these cans in maybe 2 weeks ago. So couldn't have been much older than that. Drinking really well. Sometimes musician collaborations on things like wine and beer and whatnot don't always lead to an excellent result. A lot of times it's maybe a little gimmicky. This is actually a very fantastic beer. Don't let the name throw you for a loop. I don't know why it would, but if you're like, oh, it's just a rock star beer. This is actually really quality stuff. Probably my favorite beer I've ever had from Belching Beaver, believe it or not. I've had their Hop Highway IPA. It was good. It was solid. Didn't blow me away. This one, exceedingly drinkable. As you can see, I've just drank like half a beer here in, a minute? So, let's see. If I had to rate this beer, which I will right here, I would say this is a 94-point beer. Really nice flavor, really well crafted. So you can see the head retention on that. This is just a really well made beer. Tons of flavor. The finish is a little quick for me, sort of ethereal, like the band. Isn't that what they said? Ethereal, like the song Phantom Bride. Okay, but yeah, it sort of just, disappears into the ether shortly after taking that sip, which is a little disappointing. I like a little bit of a longer finish. Maybe it just needs a little bit more bitterness to push it a little bit further into that West Coast realm. I'm not sure, but it doesn't quite, knock my socks off. But this is a super, super good beer, and it comes in 16-ounce cans, 6-packs, which is a new thing. I really appreciate that. More of a good thing. So anyway, yeah, 94 plus points on this Deftones Phantom Bride IPA. Thanks for watching the Sacramento Beer Show. Once again, I'm Jordan Steffen. Thanks for tuning in. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with all of your beer drinking friends. And until next time, cheers.